Hi and welcome to Little Bits Honeybee's YouTube channel. I'm the Skinny Bee Man. I had a viewer email me and he's got this business started here. It's Vlovebee, and it's vlovebee.com is their website. This is a double 10 frame box with a honey super. I think it's got a lid, a bottom board, a queen excluder. It's cedar, it's dipped. And on his website, it's for $139. That's a great price. If this is what it says it is, we're going to open the box and kind of put it together a little bit and see what it is. Recording? All right. This is the first time I'm going to see it at the same time you guys see it. I'm just making sure my mic's on. If it's what it says it is, that'd be a real good price on this. I'll try to get the website link on my thing. I'm not used to doing that. We'll see what happens. Okay. Comes with foundation. This honey super, foundation for the deeps and all the frames. We'll work on the frames in another time. We're not gonna. Yeah. The bottom board is definitely cedar, and it is waxed, fairly heavily waxed. Oh yeah, it's cedar. That's the bottom board. We don't have to do nothing with that. Finger joints with screws. Well, I prefer to staple mine, but I may have to screw this. I may have to change my setup. So what you're getting there, you're getting 2 deep boxes, a medium box, a bottom board, 20 frames, and foundation, plastic foundation. The lid, best I can tell, is pretty good quality. While I'm here, I'm going to tell everybody on this. This metal lid, if you got it on your beehives, you can wash this off with Ajax and rinse it off, and you spray paint this or brush paint it, you get this painted white. This is too hot for your bees. That's an extra tip today. Comes with an inner cover. And comes with a plastic queen excluder. So, like I say, if this all goes together good, for $139 is a pretty good price. Let me see what it looks like going together. I'm not reading the directions, so I may mess it up. Okay, it's double. That's cut to pull this in when you drive it in. That's unique. That's kind of a unique deal. If you've seen, this was cut on an angle, so it tightens this up when you put that joint in. That's pretty neat. I've never seen one cut quite like that. See, it's cut on an angle and pulls it together when you put it in there. Let's see. Frame rest, better get the frame. Better make sure the frame rest is both at the top. Okay, frame rest at the top, okay. Well, that goes together pretty slick. Let's see here. Very tight joints. Not a problem with that. Now, without doing any checking, I'm going to get by my son here, and I'm going to get a square and just see how square it goes without even doing any messing around. Dead square. I mean, that thing went together dead nut square. But the website's vlovebee.com. Excuse me. I'm pretty impressed with it. I'll not put the screws in it. I don't think it comes with the screws. I don't think. If it is, I didn't see them. Well, while we're doing this, let's just try one of the frames. I do see one thing that the end bars are not drilled for fishing line or wire. I don't like that, but that's not a major thing. See how well this goes together and goes square. I do have that out here. In case anybody wants to know how I put my frames together, this is how I put my frames together. These are coated staples, 1.5 inches long. You ain't gonna pull them out of there. Okay, so what happens here? Went together perfectly square again. I'm impressed. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Like I say, I'm not going to screw this together. It's 96 degrees out here today, and I'm not going to do that. But like I say, it's too deep. Let's see if the bottom boards fit pretty good. A solid bottom board, which I recommend. That's good. See how the lid fit. Well, let me just do it all. Queen excluder. Inner cover. Not a problem, and I think it does come with a entrance reducer. I thought it did. Let me see here if I can just put my eyes on it. Yes, it does come with an entrance reducer. Yeah. But there you go. Go to their website and check them out. Compare that to Man Lake. 2 deeps, a medium, all the frames, bottom board and top. It's a pretty good price. And then, like I say, I didn't do the whole box, but the first one, everything went together perfect square. Give me a shout. Thanks for watching.